The NVR can then be here or anywhere else in the world, and you pull all that information over the public network.
Secure transmission over any public network utilizing just a box like this. So I'm joined here with Craig, who's from KBC Network, and we're going to run through quite a bit of wireless cameras and stuff which are being streamed from all over the world. Craig, can you just run me through what you've got here and how simple it is to get this going?
Okay, so what we have here are a selection of different cameras, different manufacturers. We have different VMSs, so we have a Digifor VMS, we have Indigo, we can have a Hamweb, any VMS.
Okay.
These cameras are all on different networks, different types of networks. Some are 4G, some are broadband, some are tapping into wireless. None of them have fixed IPs, so none of them require that, and we don't know what they are and we don't care. They're all secure and encrypted and accessible from anywhere within that secure network. So here we have, for example, camera in Chile. Over a public network being streamed back here, you can see here the information. Another one here in Mexico, another one here in Dubai or UK. None of these have the requirements that you would normally expect for network transmission like this. I don't know how technical you want to go into, but...
So, in a nutshell, someone, let's say this site here, which is in Chile, they would have connected that into a VMS, or it's going into an MBR. Are they utilizing one of your devices on that side?
So what they would have normally, if you had 5 or 6 cameras here, you might have that connected to a small VMS or an NVR. The NVR would be connected to this. This would be with a 4G or a 5G SIM,
Okay.
or a DSL connection if you want. NVR goes, or VMS goes in here. The NVR can then be here or anywhere else in the world, and you pull all that information over the public network as if you're locally connected.
Do I need to have one of these on this side?
You can use our software client, which is running on this PC now, and that does the same thing as the hardware, but obviously it doesn't have the connections to plug into it. It allows you to tap into those resources.
What configuration do I need to do to this to get working?
About 2 minutes worth of work, and it's the time it takes to click and type.
So I need to do for forwarding, open any...
There is no port forwarding on this device.
Okay.
So you can't open up any ports because you don't need them. So there's no port forwarding. There's no fixed public IP address needed on any of the remotes.
So I don't need to, let's say, okay, I don't need to set a BYDNS.
None of that needs to be done.